Someone around here with pink hair, just like you. Come here, come in here, come in here, come in here. Flip, 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 flip. Woo, 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 woo. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh! Well, people here for sure. Okay. Quietness, peace. Don't go inside that house. Now we could go inside that house. You know why? That's our one. That's our one. No, flip. Okay, I have to fight with the farmer's tell. Oh, okay. I have to fight with that tell. Oh, Scar. There we go. You picking up that. You keeping that farmer's, my daddy. What? I rather use anything than that farmer's spray. Oh, he won a naughty shorty battle. Where he is? What the flip? What? What? Move. People walking. Just get away. I hear people walking. Someone around here with pink hair, just like you. Come here, come in here. Flip. Woo! Get him. Oh! Thank you, Lord. I praise you and only you. Oh my gosh. I'm saving that though. I'm saving that. Guess what, boy? I catch that on record. I actually catch that. I gotta save that for you. You want that, boy? Boy. Beans. This dude does not want to answer me. Oh shoot. That's so scary. Hold on, baby. Hold on 1 second. My mommy calling me.
Shopper, ain't nobody calling us.
Yes, mom.
I don't do anybody.
2. Not 1, 2. You just had 1. Why you didn't just get another one? Let's go, bro. Yeah. I like that. Boy, that was solid, man. What? You fall off the way? Huh? I got 4 med kits for you. I have 50 med kits for you. Come here, fam. Is that even possible to hold 50 med kits? Like, is that even possible, bro? Come here. I got med kits for you, bro. That look like that's the treatment gun? Oh no, that's another naughty shorty. Naughty shorties spawn over here like crazy, boy. Sad leaking, man. Let's save our life. Going somewhere quiet. And you can guess it. There we go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Whew. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, cut. Ba-doop. Oh yeah, the Bugatti. Oh, I done forget that. I done forget that. That naughty shorty. This naughty. What the heck? That bumped me up 2 inches. That's the lowest tire I've ever seen. Get the naughty shorty though. Naughty shorty. Couple. Yeah, I catch them on clip. That's why I'm recording. I lagging?
Yes,
So how you know like what's going on?
because the car did teleport.
Teleport right over there, car. Okay, come on. I can set up this trap. Oh, never mind. You wanna go in? You wanna go in and set in?
Not yet, not yet. I want to
They
see what you
separate. Hold on. Wait. Oh, okay.
It's a monster too. What?
Yeah.
Yourself as a monster.
Yeah. I see that. See me trying to move around there slow?
Yeah.
I gotta walk through the whole street.
But I like how me and this monster and
But I
somebody
gotta
else is
walk
nothing.
through the house, dog. Like so quiet. I can send you the footage, of course. Oh shoot!
I don't
I
know,
see
tell
one.
them
I see one. He didn't see me. That's a good thing. I'm coming up.
what is this again?
Wait.
Faster.
What going on?
No. Watch the horse. Peace? That's good. That's good. That's
I
good.
coming. Let me try run.
But shoot the bar. Shoot the bar. Shoot the bar. Shoot the bar.
Where is it?
Yes.
I'm coming. Oh shoot! Someone shooting
You're
from
gonna make
behind
it.
me.
You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it.
I ain't gonna make it.
No.
No, I did hit the barrel.
But you won't kill it.
I did. I get the kill. I got the kill.
Off you.
Yeah.
I tell you, but I don't know. As soon as he knocked me, I'll come and knock him.
It's karma.
As soon as the car knock him, he can knock out.
It's karma. Triple karma. Oh my gosh! Stop shooting at me, please. I would appreciate if you don't put all the pressure on me. Thank you. It can work way better that way.
See?
Yeah. He has to hear me. He better hear me. Where the heck do I go from here?
No.
I know where to go.
I like when the car teleport thing. It let you teleport me.
Trying to see if
Gosh,
I could see them. My bad if I said it. I was so silent just now, boy. I was just like in focus mode, like Assassin's Creed when they use that eagle vision. Dun. Can I just tell like anyone there?
eagle vision.
Eagle
Maybe
vision.
because he's lagging.
I'm not lagging, bro. I'm not lagging like now.
Yeah, probably not.
The game likes me. The naughty shorty likes me. I mean, I like it. Oh yeah, I have a thermal
What?
on the new gun. What the name of this is? What?
AN94.
Okay. Oh flip! I hear someone. Oh flip! See him now. Suck vibe for you, sir. You just got shot.
Wow.
You have glue walls like mad. You have exactly what I looking for.
Then why didn't you use one?
You should have used it. You didn't hop out? I'm pretty sure I know you hop out, right? Or you to get knocked out.
Oh,
Why you didn't like okay. If you know a lot of niggas trying you shooting and vibes, why you don't like build like a glue wall like monument around you.
No,
Oh, flip.
because I'm boy.
Okay, y'all, it's a see niggas. Let's go. Hard go, hard go, hard go. All friends, all family, all y'all see niggas. We'll be playing Free Fire. Ha!
You had never, I know you had never.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Don't even think about it, you bastard. Stay there.
You just are naughty. And before they can kill you, but
Woo! 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 Woo!
you
Woo!
have no
Woo!
food.
Woo! Woo! God is on my side, my brother. Oh my gosh. That's deadly.
That was a nice one. That was nice. That was nice.
Yoo, that's clutch, bro. That was clutch. Now, seriously, die this time, please.
I like how young niggas fighting and he started danger zone.
Woo! What the heck? He hit me? That's danger zone? Where he is? Okay, I see him. He's chucking the nade.
I'm like, this is the alert from the yeah.
He ain't see me. He did not see me. Flip.
No, you.
Woo! 1v1 now, boy! Let's go!
Yeah, I pick over.
Get my head pick off for what, boy? Pick off them niggas' heads. Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Flip this last nigga.
Don't, don't get out the car and you know.
Oh, lag. The lag. Oh, dog. Oh, hold on. Oh, I should have loot him for his glue walls. You see how handy they come in handy, bro.
Yeah.
They come in handy, bro. But don't worry, I got a little hut. Lano in his hut. He about to kill a slut.
No,
Oh,
it was hard.
I look in there and I just.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love,
What
you
dog?
won't
Wait,
ever
stop,
be
dog.
alone, my son.
Tell me where he is since he's seeing dog.
For you, my love.
Where?
Hit me a fool.
Oh, I see him. You have to come inside the zone, bro. You gotta come inside the zone, bro. You have to come inside the zone, bro. Hold on, mommy. Concentration. Hiya! Oh!
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my
Why?
whole, you
No,
have
why
my
me?
control.
Why me?
Love me
Why?
tender,
Why?
love me sweet.
Why
With
it
you
had to be
I
the
know
last part of the
that I'm
thing?
complete.
I freaking
I'm in
wanted to.
love
Let me
with the
stop.
summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never
Woo!
let me go. My summer
Let's
love,
go!
be waiting for
Let's
you,
go!
my love.
Let's
My
go!
summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is
Let's
forever
go! Let's go!
yours.
Let's go! I'm about to stick under the pretty. Oh! Hey! 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 Hey!
But you'll feel better when you wake up. Swear to God I'll make up everything and more when I get back someday. This is more than just a phase. Love, shooting stars will break up. And even though it seems like half the world away, things will be better in America.